What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a trip on the Eurowings app. So all you have to do guys is just simply open up your Eurowings app, and once you're inside the app guys, you will be seeing whether you're on book or my trips. You want to ensure that you go on my trips at the bottom there. Now from here you can click the button that says add book trip, or simply click the plus on the upper right hand side, and from here you want to enter the booking code. This is the code that you will find in your email when you purchase a flight. So let me go ahead and show you an example. So for example, this is one, and you can see that in the email it shows the booking code, so you'll be able to find the booking code from the email from what you purchased from that trip. Now let me go back to the app. All you have to do is simply enter the ticket number or the booking code here, and here at the second section you want to enter your last name. Once you click on add book trip, it will be add, and it will be showing up on this section here under my trips. Now there is only a previous trip that I have. Once you add that, you'll be able to open up that trip, and it's going to show you the details of your trip. And if it's within 72 hours of your flight, you'll be able to basically check in, and then once you check in, you'll be able to see your boarding pass and so forth. And you can also check the service overview of the entire flight and so forth. But that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and add a trip in the Eurowings app. Very easy and very simple.